Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to be back with a little project share using the goodies from the Really Dig You card kit from Love From Lizi. So I'll link in the description box the unboxing I did with this kit. So you'll see you get lots and lots of goodies, some pretty patterned paper, stencil, stamp set, coordinating dies, and cardstock. So lots of goodies to play with. And I made a couple more cards using these goodies. So you'll see I made 2 cards. And what I did was I got that purple cardstock that was in the kit and I stenciled over it using that heart stencil. And on this one, I used a glitter mousse that I had in my stash. And this one was just a regular smooth mousse. So I used that. And then I cut out, I used these pieces that were left over from my first project. And then I cut out some more of the patterned paper. I did stamp this watering can image on one of the pieces of patterned paper as well, and then die cut that out. And then I die cut and colored a couple of these little girl images and the little shovel with a sign that says welcome to my garden. I also added some of the ribbon that was included there and some of the enamel dots that were part of the kit. I think these cards turned out really nice. The purple goes remarkably well with the blues. It just looks so pretty. So I made one of the little girls a little redhead and one more of a blonde, and I think they turned out beautifully. So I will link to the Really Dig You card kit from Love From Lizi. That way you can go and take a peek. Now, as a reminder, this kit was originally released in 2021, but Lizi decided to re-release it by popular demand. So I guess lots of people really liked it and were asking about it, and so it's back. And I think it is an adorable little kit. Just absolutely love it. Now, what I did do, I forgot to mention, is I used a little bit of foam adhesive. I don't think you could tell, but I used some foam adhesive behind this piece of pattern paper and this half of this one. Because there's stenciling on here, it's kind of more textured. The liquid adhesive might have worked, but I would have had to put a lot on there, and tape runner would not have stuck well, but the foam adhesive sticks well and still gives this some dimension. So I think that was a good idea to add that, to add the ribbon. Love those ribbons, they're so pretty. And those stamped images are just gorgeous. I didn't do a lot of fancy coloring. Just really using maybe a light and a medium shade or a medium and a dark shade. I used my Spectrum Noir markers to color them. And I'm no expert at coloring, but I think they turned out beautifully. Let me know in the comments below which card is your favorite. The one with our little redheaded girl or with our little blonde girl. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.